This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Guys, you got to see this. It's a huge storm, snowstorm, apparently going on. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh! This is like a huge snowstorm. It's just pale white. Pale white, nothing else but just pale white. That right there. Oh! Pale white. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is a huge snowstorm.